We have got our first sale of running one of my YouTube subscriber store, and we have got the sale within the 1 day of running the Facebook ads. And most important thing and interesting thing is that we have got the sale within running the engagement ads only. Here you can see I am refreshing the page of my phone's dashboard from Shopify app, so that you can be sure about that we have got the sale, and I rest my case. So rolling camera intro. Hey Avengers, welcome to another video. In this video I'll be showing you how we have got our first sale of running one of my YouTube subscribers store with running an engagement ads. And make sure you watch this video completely, because in this video I'll be showing you some of the very important metrics that you should be looking upon when starting your store and starting your Facebook ads. Very important metrics. And I'm going to start one series, and this is the series day number 1 of the first series of taking a store from $0 per day to around $1,000 each day, and even more to a bigger numbers, and we'll be scaling the store to a bigger numbers. And make sure you watch this. So make sure you watch this completely series of videos that will be coming within day after day. And each and every day, whatever we are doing, I'll be showing you, I'll be explaining you each and everything to bigger numbers. This series will be a value packed series, so make sure you watch this video completely and upcoming videos as well. So I'll be explaining you in this video. So I'll be explaining the first day. I'll be explaining you we have got our first sale of running our Facebook engagement ads, and what we are doing I'll be explaining you in this video. So make sure you watch this video completely. Like this video right now so that my videos can reach to people like you who want to make money online sitting in your home and dance. As you all probably know, this is the time everything has been locked down whole worldwide, and nothing has been coming from China. Actually things started to come from China, but there are customs, there are delivery and shipping times has been very high. It is taking more than expected time to get shipped out, and after shipping also the item is getting stuck in the customs. Like if for example we are taking America, USA, the customs are more, no package are being coming importing in their country. It is taking lots of time. So first step that you have to go in this time is to find a US based supplier. You probably would be knowing you need to go to AliExpress and search in the shipping part, go to ship now, ship from USA, and find all the supplier of the product. If you can find those products, you have to find those products only that we have also done in our running the store of this time when there is a lockdown worldwide. So first thing you have to find out is a supplier that is US based, going to the AliExpress and clicking on the ship now from United States. And once this has been done, next you can talk with the supplier, find those products that it's been shipping from the United States, and so that the shipping time will be much faster. If they are charging a little bit more, that will be fine, that's perfectly fine, because the ad spends cost per clicks are very less this time in Facebook ad. Most of the dropshippers are not advertising, so make use of this opportunity right now. So first, as you have chosen your first product, next part is to go to the Facebook ads and start running your Facebook ads and making your store live. I'll be telling you some of the details that what we are doing, who that person was. So one of my YouTube subscriber have reached out through my email for running his Facebook ads, and I'm doing that for him. And even he's making the store, everything else he's doing the email marketing and all. I am just managing his Facebook ads, Google ads, and even all the marketing that we are going in next, like TikTok ads and Snapchat ads. We'll be running those ads very soon. So once this has been done, so we have live the store and we have got our sales. So in this video I'll be showing you how we have got the sales within running an engagement ads. And as you probably, if you have seen my videos of starting the Facebook ads, you probably would have known that I start my Facebook ads with engagement ads, because in the upcoming time our cost per click and the cost per purchase will be very less if you start with engagement ads. So I'll be today we have just run engagement ads, and for the store and the live statistics and what are the metrics we have chosen for this. We have chosen some metrics. For that we are split testing right now which ad set is working, which we in the split testing we are testing two different thumbnails we have already tested yesterday, and we have within those two, one have given us the sale, and out of this one ad set we have just duplicated those ad set to again two different ad copy. And for this time right now, one of the new ad copy that we have created is working pretty good, and I'll be showing you what are the two metrics they should be looking while split testing and starting your Facebook ads. So let us dive into our computer. Right, before starting and going to our laptop dashboard, make sure you subscribe to this channel right now so that you can get notified of my upcoming videos that will be value packed bombs. So make sure you subscribe this on the right subscribe button and press on the bell icon right now. So here you can see we are in our Shopify dashboard, and we have got our first sale. Our product cost was around 35.95, and we have got around today visitors of around 82 sessions we have got. And you can see I am going to back of this the date. Today's from today's 7th April. Let us go back so that you can see we haven't got any sales before in this store earlier. So we've started the store around in December. So in December, let us see, from December to April, you can see there are no sales at all. The store actually is in Australian dollars because my YouTube subscriber is from Australia. So once this is there, we have got the sales recently. This has been showing here in 8th April. Earlier we don't have any kind of sales till now. So here you can see we have got some sales. So on 7th of April we have got, you can see before that, we 1 week before we didn't have any single sale also. So we have got the first sale, and the sale, very interesting thing is that the sale has come from engagement ads only. Where you can understand with engagement ads we are not able to get any sales. We are not expected of getting any sales, but if your product is very good, there is a cause of getting sales. So we have got the sale in this we're doing on engagement ads. I'm not able to show the shop name because we are running the store right now, or link. We cannot show the name of the store also. I am going to refresh this page so you can see. Some guys are skeptical that I'm showing some scripts or something, but this is live. And if possible, I've talked with the guy. I think we will be going live video session after 1 or 2 months of running the store and getting the sales in a bigger number, and we'll be going live. I'll be going with my subscriber live in a video call, and we'll be talking. He'll be explaining you working by his experiences with me. So let us see what he says. So for now we have got our first sale and we are happy. So now we are in the store's dashboard that has been live, and here you can see we have run just starting live time. We haven't run any kind of ads earlier, so we have started running the ad very soon, that is 2 days before. And here you can see first we've started making the like page. That's not much required. I will not say if you should do, that is not at all required. If you want, you can do it like of your page, but what I suggest we should go with engagement ad first. Here you can see we have started with 2 ads that has been completed. It's showing in the delivery part. It has been completed. We have started that yesterday 2 ad sets with engagement ads, choosing only online shopping as an interest and targeting only United States, that we are selling in United States only. Here you can see both are completed, and we have got the sale from the one. I'll be showing you the engagement one. We have got the sale. Here you can see I'll show the ROS results we have got. We have reached around 3,000 people and 12,000 people with the 2 ads of running 1 day. And here you can see the ROS is 1.44 for the purchase. That's pretty good for it's in just an engagement ads, not conversion ads also. So I think it's pretty good. So some of the campaigns, some of the things that you should columns that you should be looking upon, very two metrics, important metrics that I was talking about. First was for split testing and starting your ads and see that ads are well enough or not, is first called CTR, click through rate. That means how much people are clicking on your link or on the shop now button, are going to your website. That is the most important factor, and it will be nice the higher the click through rate. And next part will be the CPC, that is cost per click. Cost per click should be very less as possible, as soon as possible. And next, the click through rate should be higher and higher. This is the thing, this is the two metrics that will be determining which ad set is the winning ad set. And within this two, we have got this, that engagement ads is working pretty fine, and this has more click-through rate and less CPC, that is cost per click, compared to the other one. So we'll be going with so basically the engagement was our winner. Engagement ad set, I have written the campaign name as engagement. This was our winner. So I have just duplicated these two. Actually these two ad sets was of different thumbnail, two different thumbnail. And next we have just the one that I've given as the sale. We have just duplicated those two into two ad copy. Here we can see till now, we can see the new ad copy is been working pretty good, and we'll be continuing with this. I hope this will be the winner, next winner, and it is giving us good amount of CTR, click-through rate, and CPC is coming just $0.24, whereas the other one is clicking around $0.48, and click-through rate is also very much lower. So higher the click-through rate and lower CPC will be the winning ad set. You should be continuing. If you are split testing, if you are any of your ad sets, if you want to split test ad copy or thumbnail, you can do it this way also. So each day I am running the engagement ads for 2 days with $50 spending. You should be spending not more than $50, two ad set, split testing if you want to do, or if you have got one ad set. That's hi Mr. Vampire, how are you? Bye bye. So two ad sets, one of each of the ad sets should be running off $50. If you have any ad set that you want to split test, you can split test either thumbnail or either ad copy. You can start with two ad sets with different thumbnail, and each of the ad set will be of $25. And next, when you've got the one sale, if you have two ad copy, you can start with again split testing those two, creating the post, and just starting with $25 each. First of all, I want to clear one doubt in this video. You should first post your video ad with ad copy as a normal post, and use this post as an ad. That we are using, that you either may use, or there is other way that you can just upload as an ad, a post, and you can start advertising. But I like to prefer, because this will give you one platform that will give you all the social proof data, engagement ads, views and comments and likes, everything in one platform, in one single page. So I think that will be better if you go like this. Or if you have anything else, like if you have already one ad set that you think is going to be winner and it was winning for some other store as well, you just copying, or don't just copy, just you change the music and all and just give your link. But we are using in this store our own video. We haven't copied a single thing from the other person's store. So we have used our own video, own ad copy. If you can do it, it's better to go with this. If you can go with this, go. Then those ad set, first ad set, or if you have only one ad set that you want to run the Facebook ads, you start with engagement ads of $50, and next 2 days, for 2 days you should run the $50 ad set that will be costing you around $100. Once this has been done, next day you should start your objective is to go get 3,000 audience size of 95% video views. That I'll be explaining tomorrow what our expectation goals are for starting our conversion ads and getting sales. I'll be explaining you in my next video. So stay tuned and make sure you subscribe to this video right now and give a like to this video. So I'll be posting more and more videos like this for you guys to get inspired and make your dropshipping journey successful.